Mastering square footage lighting load calculations in residential dwellings is crucial for electricians taking the electrician license exam. When it comes to electrical installations in residential dwellings, understanding which areas are included and excluded, according to the NEC, is essential. The NEC specifies that certain areas within a residential dwelling should be included when calculating the square footage lighting load. Some of the included areas are living rooms. These areas are often where residents gather and require adequate lighting for various activities. Bedrooms. Lighting in bedrooms is essential for reading, dressing, and general illumination. Kitchens. Proper lighting is crucial in kitchens for cooking, food preparation, and safety. Dining rooms. Adequate lighting is necessary for dining and related activities. Hallways and corridors. These spaces should have sufficient lighting for safe passage. Bathrooms. Lighting in bathrooms is necessary for personal grooming and safety. Utility rooms. Areas like laundry rooms and utility closets should have appropriate lighting. Conversely, the NEC specifies areas that should be excluded from the square footage lighting load calculation. Some of the excluded areas are closets. Closets typically have their lighting requirements and aren't included in the square footage load. Pantries. Pantries usually have specialized lighting, if any, and are not counted in the load calculation. Garages have their lighting needs and aren't included in the square footage calculation. Attics. Unless converted into living spaces, attics are excluded from the calculation. Basements. Unfinished basements are typically excluded, while finished basements may be included.